Have you ever pondered the future of human civilization and the role megastructures in space might play in it? Imagine behemoth structures, dwarfing skyscrapers and even countries, floating in the vastness of the cosmos. These are not the stuff of science fiction, but the very real prospects of what we call megastructures in space. As our species continues its journey into the cosmos, the idea of constructing these gargantuan structures becomes more than just a tantalizing prospect. We're talking about space habitats large enough to house millions, solar power satellites with the potential to revolutionize energy production, and even Dyson spheres, hypothetical constructs capable of harnessing the entire energy output of a star. The concept of megastructures in space is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless ambition to reach for the stars. We have always been a species of builders, from the pyramids to the Great Wall, from cathedrals to skyscrapers. Now, we stand on the cusp of a new era, where our canvas is no longer limited to the surface of our planet. The cosmos offers an infinite playground for our creativity and ambition. Just picture it, habitats floating in the void complete with their own artificial gravity providing new homes for an ever-growing human population. Solar power satellites orbiting our planet and beaming down clean, limitless energy, reducing our dependence on finite fossil fuels. Dyson spheres encasing stars and capturing their total energy output, powering civilizations with an almost unimaginable supply of energy. But these grand visions bring with them equally grand challenges. The sheer scale and complexity of these projects are unlike anything humanity has ever attempted. They require resources and engineering prowess beyond our current capabilities, not to mention the ethical and environmental considerations of such undertakings. But what challenges does humanity face that these megastructures could potentially address? As we explore these questions in the coming scenes, we'll delve deeper into the promise and perils of megastructures in space. So, join us on this journey into the future of human civilization, where the stars are not just points of light in the sky, but destinations waiting to be reached. Our Earth, with its finite resources and ever-growing population, presents us with pressing challenges. We live in a world where our resources are stretched thin. Every day, we extract more from our planet, pushing the boundaries of what it can provide. Our forests are shrinking, our water sources dwindling, and our air quality degrading. We're all too familiar with the scenes of pollution, deforestation, and the alarming rate at which species are becoming endangered or extinct. This resource depletion is a ticking time bomb, and one we can't ignore any longer. Coupled with resource depletion is the rapid growth of our population. Today, the global population stands at over 7.5 billion people, and it's projected to reach nearly 10 billion by the middle of this century. This population boom presents a myriad of challenges, from providing adequate food and clean water for everyone, to ensuring access to education and healthcare, and managing the strain on our natural environment. The problems of overpopulation and resource depletion are interconnected, each exacerbating the other. As our population grows, we need more resources to sustain it. But as we use up these resources, we put our planet and ourselves at risk. It's a vicious cycle, and one that needs to be broken. The urgency for sustainable solutions is more pressing than ever. We need to find ways to live within our means, to use our resources more efficiently, and to minimize our impact on the environment. But how do we do that on a planet that's already stretched to its limits? This is where the concept of megastructures in space comes into play. Imagine a future where we could alleviate the strain on Earth by expanding beyond it. A future where we could harness the limitless energy of the sun to power our world. A future where we could create new habitats in space, offering a solution to overpopulation and resource depletion. Could megastructures in space offer a solution to these pressing problems? That's the question we need to explore as we look to the stars for answers. For it's in the cosmos that we might find the key to ensuring the sustainability of our species and our planet. Imagine a future where space habitats alleviate overpopulation and solar power satellites revolutionize our energy production. A future where the stars are not just points of light in the night sky, but destinations and resources within our reach. This is the tantalizing promise of megastructures in space. Firstly, consider space habitats. These colossal structures could provide alternative living spaces beyond our home planet, offering a solution to the pressing problem of overpopulation. Picture towering cities suspended in the vacuum of space where millions, perhaps billions of humans live, work, and thrive. Not only could these habitats expand the frontiers of human civilization, but they could also help us preserve Earth by reducing the strain on its finite resources. Secondly, let's talk about solar power satellites. Orbiting far above the Earth's atmosphere, these satellites could capture sunlight and convert it into energy, then beam it back to Earth. This clean, renewable energy source could revolutionize our energy production, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and helping us combat climate change. In essence, we'd be harnessing the power of the sun, the most abundant energy source in our solar system, and using it to power our world. Beyond these practical benefits, megastructures in space could also open up new frontiers of scientific discovery and exploration. Space habitats could serve as platforms for research, enabling experiments and observations that aren't possible on Earth. Imagine the leaps in knowledge we could make about our universe, right from our homes in the stars. And then there's the Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that completely encloses a star, capturing most or all of its energy output. While currently beyond our technical capabilities, Dyson spheres could provide civilizations with virtually unlimited power, enabling feats of exploration and colonization on an unprecedented scale. Yet, along with these promising benefits, there are significant risks we must consider. As we continue our journey into the cosmos, we must ensure we balance the promise of megastructures in space with their potential costs, striving to create a future that benefits all of humanity and safeguards our universe. The construction and operation of megastructures in space is not without its risks. The sheer complexity of these projects introduces numerous technical challenges. Imagine the logistics of transporting materials to the construction sites in the vacuum of space. Picture the immense effort involved in assembling these structures, light years away from home. Add to that the daunting task of maintaining these structures in the harsh and unforgiving environment of space. These challenges are not just daunting, they're dangerous. A single failure, a solitary miscalculation, could have catastrophic consequences. We're not just talking about the loss of human lives, as tragic as that would be, we're also talking about environmental damage on a cosmic scale, and economic loss that could set back space exploration by decades, if not centuries. And those are just the technical risks. There are also ethical considerations that we must grapple with. For starters, there's the question of inequality. Megastructures in space are not cheap. They require resources on a scale that only the wealthiest nations or corporations can afford. If only the richest of the rich can access the benefits of these structures, we risk exacerbating existing inequalities on Earth, creating a divide between the haves and the have-nots that extends into the cosmos. Moreover, there's the potential impact on celestial bodies and ecosystems. The universe is a delicate balance of forces, and introducing megastructures into this balance could have unforeseen consequences. Could we inadvertently harm alien ecosystems? Could we cause irreversible damage to celestial bodies? These are questions we must answer before we embark on such ambitious projects. So how do we balance these potential benefits and risks? As we continue to dream of megastructures in space, we must also remember to tread carefully. We must ensure that our reach does not exceed our grasp, that our ambition does not blind us to the potential dangers. Because while the benefits of these structures are immense, so too are the risks, and it's up to us to navigate this delicate balance, to ensure that our ventures into space benefit all of humanity, and safeguard the future of our universe. As we venture further into the cosmos, we must strive to balance the benefits of megastructures with their potential costs. Charting the path to a future where megastructures exist in space is a task that demands meticulous planning. The scale and complexity of such projects call for a level of precision and foresight that surpasses any engineering feat we've undertaken before. Every stage, from design to construction, from operation to maintenance, will need to be executed with rigorous oversight to ensure the safety of those involved and the integrity of the structures themselves. The enormity of these projects also necessitates global cooperation. The resources required, both material and intellectual, cannot be shouldered by a single nation or corporation. A collaborative international approach will not just share the burden, but also ensure the benefits of these megastructures are felt worldwide. But the challenge doesn't end at the technical aspects. Megastructures in space also present us with profound ethical questions. It's crucial that we consider the potential impact on celestial bodies and ecosystems. We're not just building structures, we're altering the environment of space itself, and with that comes a responsibility to protect and preserve, to ensure our actions do not have unforeseen consequences on the universe as a whole. Moreover, we must be vigilant against the risk of exacerbating existing inequalities. The opportunities offered by space megastructures should not be the exclusive privilege of the wealthiest nations or corporations. As we move forward, we must ensure that the benefits of our endeavors in space are shared equitably, and that our progress does not come at the expense of those less fortunate. Megastructures in space hold immense promise for humanity, but realizing this potential will require us to safeguard the future of our universe, while ensuring that our endeavors in space benefit all of humanity. Our journey into the cosmos, marked by the creation of these megastructures, is a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. But as we reach for the stars, we must remember to keep our feet grounded in the principles of fairness, sustainability, and respect for the universe we inhabit.